Hey, what's up guys? My name is Matos Domingos and this is another very special video for my YouTube channel Brazilian Around the World. I hope you enjoy, and this is the main park here in São Paulo. It's like the Central Park from New York, but here in South America in São Paulo. I hope you enjoy my video and subscribe to my channel if you didn't subscribe, and of course share with your friends, and there will be so many more videos around the world. Okay, take care. The Ibirapuera Park is one of the most visited parks in South America, and in 2017 there were more than 14 million visitors in this park. And if you want to take some nice photos, and here is the nice place for you. Okay guys? So a good suggestion for you when you come to this park, to Ibirapuera Park, is to rent a bike. So for 1 hour you're gonna pay around 10 reals. 10 reals is gonna be around, let's say $1.50. Nah, $2 for you to rent a bike for 1 hour. Okay? So if you want to have a bike like that, it's gonna cost you 20 reals an hour. So it's a good deal for you when you come to Ibirapuera Park. Okay, so there's Reba. Hello Reba, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm great, thank you. Are you enjoying the bikes here in Ibirapuera Park?
Of course, this is nice and cold.
Now some coconut water to hydrate.
Yes, yes. Yes.
It is nice. And it's gonna rain heavily. Yes, look at the weather. Oops. Yeah, I wish I could have more time and no rain. Hope so. Fingers crossed. Yeah. Sure. You been here or there? We came this way, right? Let's see. It's gonna rain, right? Yeah. This is our second day here in São Paulo, and we are visiting Batman Alley, Beco do Batman. This is a really cool place. I haven't been here before, so
São todas cervejas canábicas e cada cerveja tem uma combinação diferente de aroma e sabor.
A que eu bebi era canábica?
É.
I didn't know that, eu não sabia. I didn't know that there's cannabis in that beer, Rob. Oh, I'm good. I'm feeling good. I'm here with Pia. Are you the owner here of the bar?
No, I'm only an employee.
She just works here. And look at the name of this bar. It's so interesting. So it's the wheat or hemp beer. Is that correct?
Yeah, we also work with other brands. We are actually Madruguinha Coffee Shop.
So what you can talk about Batman Alley to us? What do you think it's so cool about this place?
It's a place that you get to meet a lot of different people. I've had the chance to meet people from all over the world.
Wow.
Not to mention the weather is usually nice and you get to see a lot of nice paintings. They change it every year, so it's like...
That's interesting. I didn't
Yeah.
know this fact. So they change the painting every year?
Yeah,
Wow. So next year I gotta come back again.
yeah, you need to come back every year. So you check the new things.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you, Via, for the information.
No problem.
And this is it. This is not a regular, normal day. This is a special day. I'm here with Robin, and then I have the opportunity to meet an artist. So here is David. David, he painted one of the walls here that you're going to see now. And I'm gonna ask him a few questions. David, how long have you been living here in Brazil?
Almost 10 years.
Almost 10 years, and where are you from?
I'm from Republic of Georgia,
Oh, awesome, man.
Black Sea region.
Wow,
From
wow.
Black, I'm from the coast of Black Sea.
And the good thing, he's speaking really good Portuguese. 10 years living here, yeah? So definitely you're gonna see the beauty of São Paulo, the beautiful places we have here. Tell us your thoughts about this place.
It reminds me of Wynwood Walls, Miami, where an abandoned area, the city allows some artists to come in and some entrepreneurs to come in and start little bars and breweries and restaurants, and the next thing you know, it's a very well-received, well-visited location.
Wow, that's nice. Yeah, here in São Paulo, we gotta ask more people. Maybe they have more places like this.
I've seen many places that could use this attention.
Yeah.